Welcome to the part 2 of our micro podcast series by Pixel Viilage, and I'm your host, Radha Krishnan. And today we will be diving into a topic that's crucial for every photographer at some point in their journey. Why upgrade your camera gear? This is more than just a question of technical specs, and it's about emotional and logical aspects, which actually drives us to make that significant, I must say, a decision. Let's start with the emotional reasons, the heart of why we do what we do as photographers. First and foremost is the rekindling of passion. Photography, like any other art form, is driven by passion. But sometimes this passion needs a spark to reignite it. New camera gear can be that spark for photographers. It's not just about the new buttons, dials, or features. It's about what those things represent. A new frontier to explore, a new challenge to take on, a new world of imagery to capture. This rejuvenation of sorts, it inspires the passion within us and to push boundaries, try new techniques, and view the world through a different lens, quite literally. Then there is the aspiration and the sense of achievement. Upgrading your gear often marks a milestone in your photography journey. It's a tangible acknowledgement of your growth, skill, and dedication to the craft. This isn't just about owning a better camera. It's about what that camera signifies, the hours of practice, the learning curves navigated, and the artistry honed over time. It's a badge of honor. It's like a symbol that says, I've grown and my gear has grown with me. Creative exploration plays a huge role too. New gear can remove the barriers that once limited your creativity. Perhaps it's a lens that allows you to do better macro photography, or a camera with capabilities that make low light photography a joy rather than a struggle. Each piece of gear opens a door to new possibilities, enabling you to tell stories in ways you couldn't have done before, to capture images that were once just out of your reach. Lastly, there is the confidence and the validation that comes with an upgrade. In a field as competitive as photography, how you present yourself and your gear can influence how clients and peers perceive you. New gear can boost your confidence, not just in your skills, but in your standing within the photography community. It's a statement that kind of tells you that you take your art and career seriously. But it's not all about emotions. There are logical reasons too. Let's talk about professional requirements. In the world of professional photography, client expectations and industry standards are constantly evolving, changing. Upgrading your gear can be essential to meet those demands, whether it's the need for a higher resolution for large prints or advanced video capabilities to meet your, let's say, your new movie projects or digital media film projects. Your gear needs to support the work you are commissioned to do. Outgrowing current gear is a reality that many of us face. As our skills improve, we often find that our current equipment no longer serves our needs. Maybe it's the autofocus speed that can't keep up with your sports photography or wildlife photography, or perhaps it's a lack of weather sealing when you are shooting in challenging outdoor conditions. Upgrading becomes necessary to match your level of expertise in such cases and meet the demands of your photography style. And then there's an aspect of reliability and durability. Camera gear, like any tool, undergoes wear and tear. Over time, it may not perform as reliably as it used to. because there's so much of electronics that going on in your digital camera. Now, which can be a significant risk, especially in professional settings where there is no room for an equipment failure. Plus, having up-to-date gear can serve as a dependable backup, ensuring that you are always ready to capture those crucial shots. Finally, workflow efficiency. Okay. Newer camera models often come with features designed to make your workflow more efficient. Faster processing speeds, improved connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy image transfer, and better battery lives that are not just conveniences, but they are factors that can significantly streamline your work process. So, why upgrade your gear? It's a blend of emotional and logical reasons, each deeply personal and unique to your journey as a photographer. Whether it's reigniting your passion, pushing your creative boundaries, meeting professional demands, or simply ensuring that your equipment keeps pace with your skills, the decision to upgrade is a significant step in your photography journey. Like I mentioned in the part 1, remember that the gear doesn't make the photographer, but it can certainly empower the photographer to make more interesting, incredible, superior art. So, next time when you think about an upgrade, think about these reasons and choose what aligns best with your needs, aspirations, and the path you are carving out in the world of photography. Thank you for tuning into this episode of our micro podcast by Pixel Viilage. I am Radhakrishnan Chakyat, and I look forward to exploring more aspects of photography with you in the upcoming episodes. If you are curious about improving your knowledge, seeking inspiration, or simply exploring what's out there in the world of photography education, I invite you to visit our online portal, www.pixelviilage.com. We put together a range of resources and courses designed with photographers in mind, covering various aspects and styles of photography. Take your time, browse through, and see if anything resonates with you and your journey. Happy shooting.